Hello again. Today we have a little bit different job. This is Acer Aspire. The model is A317-51. Now the laptop, according to the customer, is working, but I haven't seen it working. But the customer broke the charger. Someone soldered the cable directly to the board, I think. They use some different cable because here this is also connected to a different cable. Pretty much we don't have the charging port and we don't have the charging jack on the charger. So pretty much we'll try to bring back this laptop to sort of a working condition. We have to find a suitable charging port. I have a few Acer boards. We'll check from one of the donors and we'll try to add a charging port on this side also. Pretty much we have to take out the back cover. I think we have to take out the board also. So it will be an interesting job because I have no idea how the soldering job was made on this side. We have some missing screws. I think the back cover should come out and I think we should have access to the board directly. On this model I think all the screws are the same size, so I have to find a few screws after that. No screw, yeah, here. Now let's try and open it. That's interesting. Someone soldered the cables directly to the charging port, which makes our job a little bit easier because we have to find the same port. I have quite a lot. Now let's check. I thought I have to solder everything on the board. I think we found one, but it's slightly smaller. We're gonna put this on the side and we'll have a look for another one. This should be a Acer port, so pretty much we can use this part here like this, and we can use this cable. Here we have plenty of space. So We have some liquid damage here. Okay, let's remove the wires. Let's get the cable only, and we're gonna transfer this port on this cable. So pretty much the thing that we do, we remove the cables on both of the ports. We transfer the cable with the proper jack on this charging port. I put the two grounds together and the plus is on this side. I'm gonna put a hot glue, of course, because here everything is broken, and we're gonna isolate everything after that. So it should be something like this. So let's clean here a little bit because there is some sort of glue. So this should be like this. Okay. Some hot glue. We're gonna use a black one. We're gonna press and hold. We're gonna clean on the outside after that. Once this is here, we're gonna put some on the back. We're gonna isolate the two pins and we should be fine. It looks dodgy, but since everything is broken inside, we don't have a lot of options. You can remove it easy by using 100 degrees on the hot glue. It will melt again. Let's clean here. like this. Now let me test with my charger, because I have to fix the other one after that. Now plug in the charger. Here we have the charging light, but my charger went out. Let's press the power button just to see do we have a picture. We have the backlight and we have the Acer logo. So pretty much, yeah, the battery is not working, so the charger is working fine. Let's put the back cover. Everything is closing properly. The laptop is in a really bad condition. Okay, let's test it again. Let me get the charger. Let's plug it in. We have the charging light, pressing the power button, and we have the Acer logo, and Windows should start loading. Pretty much that's the whole video. I thought I have to solder on the board, but we got lucky and everything was on a separate cable. So the only thing I gotta do now is just cut the other side of the charging port. I'm gonna find a proper cable. I'm gonna cut, let's say, about 20 centimeters, and I'm gonna solder it directly here. I'm not gonna break the port. It's a straightforward job, so I'm gonna stop the video for now. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.